Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in the garage taking advantage of a rainy, nasty day to do some much needed maintenance for my little riding tractor here. The blades for this riding tractor are in dire need of some maintenance and sharpening. So I figured today would be a good opportunity for me to talk about the three most common blade angles that you will find on different lawnmowers and show you how I sharpen my lawnmower blades and how you can do it at home just as easily yourself. So let's get started. So when it comes time to sharpen the blades for your mower, there's only really a few pieces of equipment that I use. I use a bench vise, a simple bench vise, and an angle grinder with a flap disc on it. The combination of these two things seems to be the easiest that I have personally found to do this. All I do is I just clamp the blade in the bench vise vertically, and then I just take the bench grinder, and you can easily run up and down the cutting edge of the blade, removing as much material as you need to and sharpening the blade that way. Also, anytime you're grinding anything, I would always recommend using some ear and eye protection. At the very least, do eye protection. If you get some metal in your eye, that's going to be a bad day. So, for your blade angles, there's generally three considerations that you end up with. The 15-degree blade angle, this is going to give you your finest cut but the least amount of blade durability. There is a 30-degree, approximately 30-degree angle, which is good for routine use for homeowners, things like that. You get some durability and a clean cut. And then there's the most durable end, which is probably going to be more for like clearing brush and or brush hogging and things like that. That's usually like 45 degrees and above. That way, if you're hitting, branches, stumps, some rocks, things like that, you'll get a small chip in the blade, but it's not going to ruin it. So as we just discussed with the blade angles, for my purposes, I'm going to be going to approximately 30 to 35 degrees. I just used a angle finder app on my phone actually to check these angles for this blade. This is almost 60 degrees. That is an extremely durable angle. However, for my yard, I'm not really hitting too many stones, and I do want a nicer cut. This is a mulching blade too. If it'll focus here, you can see that there's this extra kind of flex in the cutting surface right here above my fingers. This is actually part of the blade. It helps with the airflow and the mulching function. But it looks like it hasn't seen a sharpener in many years. So we're gonna go ahead and remove some material from this, and get this down to a more appropriate angle. So here's an example of an app, how you can just use your phone to check these angles. There's nothing particularly fancy involved. There is a angle finder app, at least for an iPhone, that you can get on the store. There's not anyone in particular that I recommend. But all you have to do is just match it up with the level or I'm sorry, the angle of the blade here, and it'll give you a pretty good idea of where you're at. So this blade is not perfect. It is between 30 and 35, which is kind of where I was shooting to be. But my yard is not a golf course and I'm not trying to win any competitions. So as long as we're close enough, it's good enough for me. All right, so we got some material removed on this blade. It does look quite a bit nicer. When you do sharpen these, though, you do get a little bit of a burr that forms on the backside of the blade. Apologize for the focus. But you do get some of the material will just naturally kind of roll over the tip of the blade here. All you have to do really is just hit it with a wire brush. Just give it a simple rub up and down with wire brush, and it'll knock those burrs off. So this blade, I already did sharpen this, but I realized my angle is incorrect, so I'm going to go ahead and touch it up again here for just a moment. All right, one final piece to the puzzle of sharpening these blades yourselves is this little guy. This is a blade balancer, or at least will tell you if your blades are unbalanced, and it will tell you what side of the blade you need to remove more material from. This will help cut down on vibrations for your mower and make sure that you're not shaking or damaging the equipment by having really off balance blades. So this one is fairly well balanced. This side maybe slightly lighter, but if it is, it's not by much. This is maybe only off just by a little bit. But um, if you do have any gross issues with your blades where one side's touching the table and the other side is up in the air, you should take some weight off of the heavy side. Just put it back in your vise and just take a few more passes with the grinder and just keep checking it, make sure that it's balanced. I hope you found this video educational and helpful. I hope you see that you can easily do this yourself and you don't have to run out and pay somebody to sharpen your blades for you or go get new ones. You can just put some new life back into the blades that you already have. I'm going to go ahead and get these reinstalled on my lawn tractor. If you did find this helpful, though, please like and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it, and it really does help me out. Take care and happy mowing.